Without you, all my plans are suddenly possible. I have a vision for the future, Roku.
Wait, that's me, isn't it?
Make sense of our past, Aang, and you will bring peace and restore balance in the world.
Roku? Roku!
With Roku gone and the great comet returning, the timing was perfect to change the world. I knew the next Avatar would be born an air nomad, so I wiped out the air temples. But somehow the new Avatar eluded me. I wasted the remainder of my life searching in vain. I know he's hiding out there somewhere. The Fire Nation's greatest threat. The last airbender.
That can't be it. Where's the rest of it? You sent this, didn't you? I found a secret history, which, by the way, should be renamed the history most people already know. The note said that